The InSinkErator HWT300 Digital Instant Hot Water Tank is designed to provide an efficient and convenient solution for those who frequently need instant hot water at their fingertips. This product, which has gained attention for its sleek design and functionality, serves as a practical addition to any kitchen or beverage station. At first glance, the HWT300 presents a contemporary look with a digital display that allows users to easily set their desired water temperature. The compact tank is engineered to fit neatly under most sinks, making it accessible yet unobtrusive. This design consideration is particularly beneficial for those with limited space, as it maximizes functionality without compromising aesthetics. One of the standout features of the HWT300 is its capability of providing near-boiling water in a matter of seconds. This is particularly useful for various tasks such as making tea, preparing hot cereals, or even blanched vegetables, reducing the time spent waiting for water to boil on the stove. The tank can heat water up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for a range of culinary and household needs. In terms of installation, the HWT300 features a straightforward setup process. It comes with all necessary components, and the installation can typically be completed with basic tools. However, it is recommended that users consult the manual for specific requirements to ensure optimal performance. This ease of installation is an attractive element for DIY enthusiasts and those looking to enhance their kitchen functionality without extensive renovations. When it comes to usage, many users find the digital display intuitive and user-friendly. The temperature controls allow for precise adjustments, catering to individual preferences. The tank also supports a continuous supply of hot water, meaning it is not necessary to wait for the tank to refill, making it particularly advantageous during busy meal prep times or entertaining guests. In conclusion, the InSinkErator HWT300 Digital Instant Hot Water Tank stands out for its combination of sleek design, efficient performance, and user-friendly features. It appeals to individuals seeking a reliable source of hot water for various applications. While every kitchen has its unique demands, the HWT300 offers a modern solution that could enhance the overall cooking and beverage experience in many households.